Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video covers our scoop and bucket varieties. Vikan's range of scoops and buckets can help with all your material handling needs. They are all hygienically designed without any seams or cracks, making them easier to clean and limiting harborage points for microorganisms and allergens. Additionally, all of Vikan's scoops and buckets are made from food contact compliant materials. First, let's have a look at Vikan's scoops. This is the Vikan hand scoop, which comes in 3 different sizes. All sizes are also available in a metal detectable material. These scoops are designed with a hanging hook feature that fits the Vikan buckets. The Vikan ergonomic scoop can be used as an alternative. Special for this product is the perfectly balanced grip that supports heavy loads and thus protects against strains. The grip design also enables you to have the scoop on the side of a container. A flat bottom prevents the scoop from rolling over on tables. Both designs are ideal for moving ingredients in food production areas. Next is the Vikan round bowl scoop, which comes in 1 and 2 litres. They are lightweight and ergonomically designed with pouring spouts on 2 sides, enabling both left and right-handed users to easily pour from the scoop. The scoop's interior contains a measuring scale. This product is ideal for use in food production areas to move and measure food ingredients, liquids, and more. The Vikan measuring jug is a multi-purpose tool that can also be used as a scoop. You can fill, measure, and pour more accurately with this cleverly designed jug. Easy-to-read, transparent scales on each side let you choose your unit of measurement, including millilitres, UK fluid ounces, and US fluid ounces. The elongated spout and optimized handle ensure easy, precise pouring, and the wide bottom ensures stability and hygienic cleaning. The Vikan hygiene bucket comes in 3 sizes, 6, 12 or 20 litres with matching lids. The 12-litre bucket is also available in a metal detectable material. This award-winning bucket is ideal for transporting cleaning chemicals, both hot and cold ingredients, or as a station for mixing or storing ingredients. It has a drip-free spout, a hand grip that is raised from the base, and a sturdy stainless steel handle. It also has molded measuring units. The flat side prevents spillage, and the bucket has its own wall bracket for storage. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan scoops and buckets. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.